Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's take a look at another Python script that will actually print out all work item types slash issue types that are being used within all of your projects. Why is this handful? It's really handful because, especially for the administrators out there, Jira admins, I'm talking to you guys. It's really useful because you get rid of all of the junk that you actually don't need on your instance, and you're boosting the performance. Now, how this actually works, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start it in here. The first thing that is going to ask me is my Atlassian company URL, and I have it in here. Let me just do that in here. Also, my email address, gonna be using it in there, and also my personal API key. Client must be authenticated to access this resource. But I am. What's wrong with it? Wait, let's try it one more time. Don't tell me that I have the wrong API key. Finally. All right. So, if we take a look around, this is what we are seeing. Let me just move myself here. All right. So, 24 projects, all of the issue types in here, and in the end, it will save it in the CSV file. And maybe you're not seeing all of the issue types that are being listed in here. This is because in the CSV, you're going to be able to actually expand the column where all of the issue types are named. But as you can see, it lists out the project key, the name of the project, and also all of them. So you don't have to go through each project and to actually see this. That's why you're actually having this list right here. Another thing is there is also a repository that you can actually clone with the other scripts that you can actually use for your own purposes. And that's it. That is what this script actually does. And this is really good because if you're having some work items that are not being presented here and not being used, you can actually go ahead and remove them. And that's it. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.